Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the Willow granny square. You will learn in this video step by step how to make this granny square. If you want to find the chart, you can find it in my website. You can find the link on the description below, also on the top of the video. And if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. If you want to learn how to make other granny squares, you can also go to my website. You can find there different granny squares, and you can find hundreds of crochet, knitting and amigurumis and toy patterns, free patterns. So let's go now with the step by step of this granny square. Start this granny square from the center, and you have to start with a chain 4. Then make a slip stitch in the chain number 1 and make the first row with a chain 3. This will count as the first double crochet, and then you have to make in the circle that you made with the slip stitch in the center of the chain 4, you have to make 16 double crochet, counting the first chain 3, remember, as the first double crochet. 16 double crochet. Once you have the 16 double crochet, you have to make a slip stitch with the third chain to close this circle. And start the second row. To start the second row, start also with a chain 3 and then make a chain 1. This will be the first double crochet with a chain 1. Now you have to repeat the same, 1 double crochet on the double crochet and chain 1, 1 double crochet on the following double crochet and chain 1, and this is what you have to repeat to the end. 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1. Once you are at the end, you have to join with a slip stitch. In my case, I will change the color and place the new color and start the row number 3 with a chain 3. You have to make 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space and 1 double crochet on the double crochet. In the chain 1 space, you have to make 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet on the double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet on the double crochet. Repeat to the end and join with a slip stitch. Now we have to start with a chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and on the following double crochet you have to make a single crochet. Then chain 5, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet on the following double crochet. Chain 3, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet. Now we have to make a corner. To make the corner we have to chain 10, also skip 2 double crochet and make 1 slip stitch on the 3rd double crochet. Now you have to continue on the sides with a chain 3, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet, chain 5, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet, and again another corner with a chain 10, skip 2 stitches and 1 single crochet. And this is what you have to repeat to the end. Close with a slip stitch here. And make 1 single crochet on the 2nd chain of the chain 3 space, here a single crochet. Then in the chain 5 space you have to make 7 double crochet, 7 double crochet here in the chain 5 space. Then 1 single crochet on the 2nd chain of the chain 3 space, and then in the corner you have to make 5 double crochet, then chain 3 and 5 double crochet on the other side. Then make a single crochet on the chain 3 space on the 2nd chain of the chain 3 space. And continue on the side with 7 double crochet on the chain 5 space. And then 1 single crochet on the 2nd chain of the chain 3 space. Now at the other corner repeat the same 5 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet, and continue with a single crochet on the second chain of the chain 3, and then the same 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet at the corner, 5 double crochet, chain 3, 5 double crochet, another single crochet, and repeat the same to the end. Now in my case I will change the color again. Start with a chain 3. This will be the first double crochet. Then chain 3 again to arrive at the center of this shell, and then make a single crochet on the double crochet of the middle. Then chain 3 and 1 double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row. Now once you are arriving at the corner, you have to make a chain 5, and at the corner, at the chain 3 space, 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 1 single crochet in the same space. Continue on the other side with a chain 5, 1 double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row, and here on the part of the middle you have to chain 3, one single crochet on the center of the shell of the previous row, chain 3, again 1 double crochet on the single crochet, and then once you are arriving at the corner, chain 5, and at the corner 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, and then when you are at the sides is a chain 5, in the middle a chain 3, single crochet at the center, at the corners, and double crochet on these parts that you have more space. Then continue with another row. You have to start with a chain 3 again and make 1 double crochet on each chain. You don't have to make double crochet on the other stitches, you don't have to make double crochet on the single crochet or the double crochet, only 1 double crochet on each chain. So here 3 double crochet, now 5 double crochet on each chain, 1 of each chain, then once you are at the corner, 3 double crochet at the corner, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same space, and continue on the other side with 5 double crochet, 1 on each chain, then 3 double crochet, then 3 double crochet again, five double crochet again, and at the corner 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat around the granny square, 1 double crochet on each chain, and at the corner 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. If you want, you can finish this granny here. In my case, I will add another row of single crochet, making only 1 single crochet on each double crochet, and at the corner make 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. This is the last row of my granny square. Here you can see different combinations of colors and different materials. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell. And if you want to learn how to crochet, how to knit, or you want to learn other granny squares, you can find hundreds of free patterns in my website. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.